Good morning, my students. How are you today? I'm fine too. I'm great too. Okay, before we continue to our lesson, please the class chairman prefer our class. Attention please. Before we start, let's pray for a moment. Amen. Greeting to our teacher. Okay, good morning. Are you happy right now? Okay, now we sing a national anthem. Ayo, stand up please. Indonesia, tanah airku, tanah tumpah darahku. Di sanalah aku berdiri, jadi pandu ibuku. Indonesia, kebangsaanku, bangsa dan tanah airku. Marilah kita bersatu, Indonesia bersatu. Hiduplah tanahku, hiduplah negeriku, bangsaku, rakyatku semuanya. Bangunlah jiwanya, bangunlah badannya untuk Indonesia Raya. Indonesia Raya, merdeka, merdeka, tanahku, negeriku yang ku cinta. Indonesia Raya, merdeka, merdeka, hiduplah Indonesia Raya. Indonesia Raya, merdeka, merdeka, tanahku, negeriku yang ku cinta. Indonesia Raya, merdeka, merdeka, hiduplah Indonesia Raya. Okay, sit down please. Okay, I want to check the attendance. Who is absent today? Who is absent today? Rama, Saripa. Why are they absent today? Sick. Okay. May God bless them and also may God bless us. Okay. Now, before we continue to our lesson, we make a ice breaking ya. Kita buat dulu ice breaking biar semangat. Okay, stand up please. Okay, stand up please. Please pay attention. If I say clap your hand, if I say boom, tepuk atau pukul meja. If I say pen, berebut pen. Okay, are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Okay. Pay attention. Clap. Boom. Clap. Boom. Clap. Boom. Clap. Boom. Boom. Clap. Pen. Okay. Clap your hands. Okay, sit down please. Okay. Okay, I want to review our material for last week, yeah? Do you still remember our topic for last week? Yeah, our topic last week, day of week. Yeah. How many days is in week? 7. What are they? Monday, Kamis, Friday, Okay, that's very good. Now, we continue to our topic about telling time. Okay. Now, look at this picture. What is this? What is this? Yeah, this is a clock picture. Okay. Nah, what is the function of this picture? Apa kegunaannya dari jam ini? Yaitu untuk mengetahui waktu. Iya. Jadi dalam kehidupan sehari-hari sering kita berhubungan dengan waktu. Baik itu kegiatan sehari-hari. Contohnya, for example, what time do you usually go to school? Jam berapa kamu biasanya pergi ke sekolah? Okay, 7 o'clock. That's very good. Any other? Jam berapa? 7 o'clock. Okay, and then what time do you usually get up in the morning? What time do you usually get up in the morning? Okay, 6:30. Okay, and then the last question. What time do you usually have breakfast? Sarapan. Jam berapa kamu biasanya sarapan? Huh? Okay, at 6 o'clock. Okay. Now, from the telling time, from our topic telling time, I have a motivation for you, yaitu time is money. Yaitu apa artinya? Waktu adalah uang. Jadi, use your time to positive ya. Jangan pakai waktumu untuk hal-hal yang tidak berguna. Contohnya main-main, main game, tapi use your time to positive. Okay, so kita lihat tujuan dari pembelajaran kita, telling time. Peserta didik mampu menanyakan waktu dalam bahasa Inggris dengan baik dan benar. Kemudian, peserta didik mampu menyebutkan waktu dalam bahasa Inggris dengan baik dan benar. Kemudian, number 3, peserta didik mampu menuliskan waktu dalam bahasa Inggris dengan penulisan bahasa yang tepat. Nah, jadi itulah tujuan kita mempelajari topik telling time. Okay, now I will see you a video ya. Ibu akan menampilkan sebuah video. Listen dan dengarkan dan simak. Okay? Okay. Okay, you know what time it is? No. What time is it? It's 8 o'clock. Yeah. Okay, wait. Today we're going to learn how to tell the time with the pizza. Oh, okay. Okay, before we start, we have to know a couple of things. This is a clock, right? Yes. And these are its hands. The little hand shows us the hour, and the big hand shows us the minutes. When the big hand is pointing to the clock, we say it's o'clock. Now it's 4 o'clock. So, Emily, what's the time now? Now it's 5 o'clock. Very good. When the big hand is pointing to the 3, we say it's
quarter past. Why do we say it's quarter past? Because a quarter of the hour has passed. So, what's the time? Now it's 5:15. Perfect. When the big man is pointing to the 6, we say it's half past. Because half of the hour has passed. So now it's 5:05. Fantastic. And finally, when the big hand is on the 9, we say it's 4:45. So now it's 4:46. Perfect. But what happens when the big hand isn't on the 12, the 3, the 6, or the 9? I don't know. Well, we count the minutes and 5. So now it's 5 past 6. It's 10 past 6. It's quarter past 6. It's 20 past 6. It's 25 past 6. It's half past 6. Wait a minute. After half past, it's 10. Then we count how many minutes there are before the next hour. It's 25 to 7. It's 20 to 7. I see. It's quarter to 7. It's 10 to 7. That's right. What time is it? I'm hungry. It's been so fun. Yes. We hope you have fun learning to tell the time with us. Goodbye. Remember to tell the time. When the big hand is on the 12, we say it's o'clock. When the big hand is on the 3, we say it's quarter past. When the big hand is on the 6, we say it's half past. When the big hand is on the 9, we say it's 4:45. For other times, we count the minutes in 5. That's it. Now you can practice telling the time.
Okay. Okay. After we listen the video, setelah kita melihat dan mendengarkan video, I want you, ma'am, menyuruh kalian membuat kira-kira apa yang kalian dengarkan dari video tersebut. Yang kalian simak kira-kira apa. Coba dulu didiskusikan in your groups. Okay? Okay? I give you a paper. Okay? Kira-kira apa yang kalian simak dari video itu? Okay? I give you time 20 minutes. You can do it. 5 minutes more. 5 menit lagi. Have you finished? Not yet. Okay. 2 minutes more. 2 menit lagi. Oke, time is over ya. Habis waktunya. Oke. Now time for presentation. Oke. Untuk presentase ke depan ya. From group A. Where is group A? Group A. Okay, come here in front of class. All of semua. Okay. Okay, show your picture. Tunjukkan dulu gambarnya. Sini. Okay. Show your picture. Kamu di atas. Okay. Okay. Introduce your group.
Hello, my friends. Good morning. Good morning. My name is Reza. We from kelompok A.
Okay. Can you read?
Kelompok A. Diskusikan dengan teman kelompok. Bagaimana cara penggunaan kata pas, ahab pada penulisan waktu dan keterangan waktu berdasarkan A, M, dan PM. Penggunaan pas. Pas digunakan pada menit 1 sampai 30. Contoh, what time is it? Is it 20 past 2?
Okay, you.
Penggunaan to. Ini digunakan pada menit 31 sampai 15 itu mengatakan pulang. Saya membaca what is
Okay, that's very good. Give applause. Okay, sit down please. Okay. The next group C. Okay. 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 Show your picture. Oh. Okay.
Hello, my friend. My name is Arya. My name is Rangga. Diskusikan dengan teman sekelompokmu membuat kegiatan sehari-harimu dengan menggunakan waktu dengan kalimat bahasa Inggris. Number 1, I get up at 5:30. 2, I go to school at 6:30. 3, I have breakfast at 5:30. 4, I take a bath at 6:00. 5, I go to sleep at 10:00. 6, I prepare my breakfast at 7:00. Number 1, I get up at about 6:00. Number 2, I go to school at 7:00. Number 3, I go to sleep at 8:00. Number 4, I take the bath at a 7:15. Number 5, I prepare my breakfast at 6:30. Number 6, I have breakfast at 10:00. Number 1, I get up at 5:00. Number 2,
Speak loudly. Kuat dulu, kuat. Ulang. You stand here. You speak loudly. Kuat.
Diskusikan dengan teman sekelompokmu membuat kegiatan sehari-harimu dengan menggunakan waktu dengan kalimat bahasa Inggris.
Number 1. I get up at 5:30. 2. I go to school at 5:30. 3. I have breakfast at 5:30. 4. I take a bath at 6 o'clock. 5. I go to sleep at 10 o'clock. 6. I prepare my breakfast at 7 o'clock.
Number 1. I get up at 6 o'clock. Number 2. I go to school at 7:15. Number 3. I go to sleep at 8 o'clock. Number 4. I take a bath at 6:30. Number 5. I pack my breakfast at 10:05. Number 6. I have break at 8 o'clock. Number 1. I get up at 5 o'clock. Number 2. I go to school at 7 o'clock. Number 3. I go to sleep at 9 o'clock. Number 4. I take a bath at a quarter past 6. Number 5. I prepare my breakfast at 5:30. Number 6. I have breakfast at 10:06. Number 1. I get up at 6:30. Number 2. I go to school at 7 o'clock. Number 3. I go to bed at 8 o'clock. Number 4. I take a bath at a quarter past 7. Number 5. I prepare my breakfast at 6:30. Number 6. I have breakfast at 10:05.
Okay, that's very good. Give a applause. Okay, sit down. Next, group B. B, okay. So your picture, not like this. Okay, langsung. Okay, introduce your group.
Hello, my friends. Introduce myself.
Speak loudly, please. What ngomong?
Hello, my friends. Hello. Good morning. My name is Mika Monica. My name is Mika Monica Sega. My name is Amel Batalin. My name is My name is Muhammad. I come from Group B. Kelompok B. Diskusikan dengan teman kelompokmu bagaimana penggunaan upload dan cara menyatakan waktu dalam bahasa Inggris yang digunakan pada materi spelling test. Upload digunakan jika jam fajar tepat pada angka 12. Cara bertanya, what time is it? It is at 6 o'clock.
Okay. That's very good. Give applause. Okay, sit down, please. Okay, the last group. Alok. Show your picture. Okay. Introduce your group.
Hello, my friends.
Repeat again.
My name is Chelsea Khalisan Kursubian. My name is Chelsea Agustina Syegian. My name is Reza Maria Siregar. My name is Lucy. Diskusikan dengan teman kelompokmu Bagaimana penggunaan equator dalam teknik? Equator dipakai untuk menunjukkan example number one. What time is it? It is equator past 9. What time is it? It is equator 7.
Okay. Please repeat once again. Speak loudly. Okay.
Equator dipakai untuk menunjukkan jam kurang lebih dari 15 menit. Example number one. What time is it? It is a quarter past 9. What time is it? It is a quarter to 7.
Okay, that's very good. Give applause. Okay, sit down please. Okay. Next, I will show you the second video. Okay. Second video. Okay.
Dalam pembelajaran self-learning, kita akan membedakan menjadi dua waktu. Mulai dari jam 12 sampai naik angka 6, dari angka 12 sampai angka 6, kita menggunakan past. Jadi past itu digunakan jadi menit pertama sampai menit ke-30. Sedangkan dari angka 6 sampai 12, kita menggunakan to, artinya kurang, ini digunakan dari menit ke-31 sampai ke menit 59. Ketika kita panjang menunjukkan di angka 12 dalam bahasa Inggris, maka kita menggunakan kata clock. Jadi ketika dia menunjukkan angka titik 00, maka dia menggunakan clock. Sedangkan ketika dia panjang menunjukkan di angka atau titik 30, maka kita menggunakan kata a half past. Sedangkan ketika jarum panjang menunjukkan angka 3 atau titik 15, maka kita menggunakan
A quarter ya, 15.
Dan ketika jarum panjang menunjukkan di angka 9 atau titik 45, maka kita menggunakan a quarter to. Baik, kita akan mempelajari satu persatu. Kita akan menggunakan clock, bagaimana penulisannya ketika titik 15, penulisan titik 30, dan penulisan titik 45. Pertama, ada contoh misalnya sekarang lagi jam 3 tepat. Jarum panjang menunjukkan tepat di angka 12 atau 03.00. Maka penulisannya adalah is 3
O'clock.
3, bahasa Inggrisnya adalah 3, dan titik 00 adalah o'clock. Contoh berikutnya adalah ini jam 10 tepat. Jam 10 tepat. Ya, 10 bahasa Inggrisnya adalah 10. Maka jawabannya adalah it is 10 o'clock. Bagaimana dengan jam 9? 09.00. 9 bahasa Inggrisnya adalah 9. Jadi, bahasa Inggris di jam 9 adalah is 9 o'clock. Sudah jelas untuk tulisan menggunakan titik 00 atau tempat, begitu ya. Dan selanjutnya kita akan lanjutkan ke titik 30. Namun sebelum itu, perlu kita ketahui dalam penulisan jam dalam bahasa Inggris terutama di British style itu diawali dulu dengan menit baru diikuti jam. Ingat,
Menit dulu baru apa? Jam.
05.10 bukan 05:10. Jadi tulisnya yang menit itu kan 10-nya. Jadi tulisannya adalah menit dulu. Dan pas, karena tadi 10 itu menggunakan pas dengan 10 pas. Jadi menit dulu, menit belakang, baru jam. Dalam bahasa Indonesia kita bagi di belakang. Jam 5 menggunakan kata how past. Pada 09.30 adalah it is how past 9. Angka 9 berarti 9. Lalu bagaimana dengan jam 3.30? Maka bahasa Indonesia adalah it is a half past 3. Ingat, menggunakan a half past. Next, setengah 11 atau 10.30. Bahasa Inggrisnya it is a half past 10. Ya. Tinggal ditambahkan dia ini a half past, kemudian angka jamnya dan berapa tadi jam 3 tadi a half past 3. Next kita lanjutkan di yang ketika jarum bajak menunjukkan angka 3 atau titik 15. Titik 15 itu menggunakan a quarter past. A quarter past. Contohnya adalah jam 2.15. Jadi bahasa Indonesia adalah it is a quarter past 2. Jam 2:04. Kalau bahasa Inggris dibacanya di belakang ya. 2:04. Next. 01.15. Ya, bahasa Indonesia adalah it is a past 1. Jam 1:04. Bagaimana dengan 6:04? 6:15. Nah, bahasa Indonesia adalah it is a quarter past 6. Nah, sekarang kita lanjutkan apabila jarum panjang menunjukkan di angka 9 atau titik 45. Kalau tadi di titik 15 itu menggunakan a quarter past, namun kalau di titik 45 maka menggunakan a quarter to atau seperempat kurang. Contohnya adalah ini menunjukkan jam 6:45. Maka bahasa Inggrisnya adalah it is a quarter to 7. Atau kalau di dalam bahasa Indonesia dibaca di belakang ya, jam 7 kurang 1/4. Kenapa di sini jam 7? Ini ditulis angka setelah 6 ya, sama ini angka setelah 6. Kemudian bagaimana dengan jam 5:45? Maka bahasa Inggrisnya adalah it is a quarter to 6. Jam 6 kurang 1/4. Sekarang kalau jam 4:45 atau jam 5 kurang 1/4, maka bahasa Inggrisnya adalah it is a quarter to 5. Jam 5 kurang 1/4. Kita lanjut dengan angka yang tidak beraturan, bukan seperempat, bukan setengah, ataupun tepat. Kita lanjutkan ke angka-angka yang beraturan. Satu letaknya ada pada mulai dari menit pertama sampai menit ke-30. Ingat, menit pertama sampai menit ke-30 itu menggunakan kata has, ya, menggunakan kata has. Dan contohnya adalah 01.
Okay, from this video, kalau penggunaan pas itu dari menit 1 sampai 30. Penggunaan to dari menit 31 sampai 59. Oke, ya. Jadi from the video, I'll give you some question, okay? Some question. You can see the picture. Okay, wait. Okay. You can see some picture. Okay. Number 1. What time is it? It is. Okay. Once more. What time is it? Okay, that's very good. It is 12 o'clock. Dia tepat jam 12. Okay, number 2. Okay. What time is it? Okay, jam 8 dikurang 5. Okay, next number 3. What time is it? Okay, that's very good. Okay, number 4. What time is it? Okay, that's very good. Number 5. What time is it? Okay, it is a quarter past 7. And then, what time is it? Okay, it is a 8:30. Okay, next, what time is it? Okay, it is a quarter to 10. Tahu jam 10 kurang 15. Okay, next, what time is it? Okay, it is 10 to 6. That's very good. And then, what time is it? What time is it? It is 9 o'clock. Okay, the last one. What time is it? Okay, that's very good. Clap your hands. Okay, now time for ice breaking. Please stand up, please. Okay. Okay.
Nice to see you. I have a question for you. What time is it? See you.
Okay.
Dream English Kids.
Ayo ikuti gerakannya.
It's 8 o'clock. It's time to go to school. It's 8 o'clock. It's 9 o'clock. It's 10 o'clock. It's 11 o'clock. It's 12 o'clock. It's 1 o'clock. It's 2 o'clock. It's 3 o'clock. It's time to play guitar. What time is it? What time is it? It's 4 o'clock. It's time to sing some more. It's 4 o'clock. It's 5 o'clock. It's 6 o'clock. It's 7 o'clock. It's 8 o'clock. It's time to go to bed. It's time to go to bed. Good night.
Okay. Clap your hands. Okay. Now I give you LKPD ya. For group. LKPD per group. You can answer. Okay. You can answer. I give you 5 minutes. Okay. You have finished? Okay. Now, come from in front of class one by one from each group. Satu-satu aja dari grupnya, oke? Okay? Oke? Okay? Oke. Okay. From group C. Yes. Yes, come here. Speak loudly. Kuat.
It is a quarter past 11. 2. It is a half past 8. 3. It is a half past 11. 4. It is a quarter to 9. 5. It is a quarter past 1. 6. It is a quarter to 8. 7. It is a half past 10. 8. It is a quarter to 4. 9. It is a 5 o'clock.
Oke, any question? Ada pertanyaan? Oke, do you understand? Sudah paham? Oke, sit down please. And next, group B. Group B. Oke, speak loudly. Kuat ngomongnya.
Number 1, it is a quarter 11. Number 2, it is a half past 8. Number 3, it is a half past 11. Number 4, it is a quarter to 8. Number 5, it is a quarter past 1. Number 6, it is a quarter to 8. Number 7, it is a half past 10. Number 8, it is a quarter to 4. Number 9, it is a 5 o'clock.
Okay, that's very good. Next, group A. Group A.
Hello, my friend.
Okay, repeat again. Hello, my friend.
Hello, my friend. My name is Rizka. I am from Kelompok A.
Group B. Group A.
Number 1, it is a quarter past 11. Number 2, it is a half past 8. Number 3, it is a half past 11. Number 4, it is a quarter to 9. Number 5, it is a quarter past 1. Number 6, it is a quarter to 8. Number 7, it is a half past 10. Number 8, it is a quarter to 4. Number 9, it is a 5 o'clock.
Okay, that's very good. Give a plus. Okay, next. The last group. Group B. Okay.
Hello, my friends. My name is Sudarmanto. I am from this Kelompok B. 1. I is a quarter past 11. 2. It is half past 8. 3. It is half past 11. 4. It is a quarter to 9. 5. It is a quarter past 1. 6. It is a quarter to 8. 7. It is half past 8. 8. It is a quarter to 4. 9. It is 5 o'clock.
Okay, that's very good. Okay, give a plus. Okay, now I can see the result of your discussion. For number 1, okay, it is a quarter past 11. Number 2, it is a half past 8. Okay, number 3, It is a 11:30. Okay, number 4. It is a 8:45. Yeah. Okay. Next, it is a 1:15. Okay, number 6. It is a 7:45. Okay, number 7. It is a 9:30. Okay, next. It is a 3:45. Okay, the last one. It is 5 o'clock. Do you understand about telling time? Once more. Do you understand about telling time? Oke. Kalau pas tadi, menit ke berapa? 1 sampai 30. Kalau 2 menit ke berapa? 31 sampai 59. Kalau 15 menit apa itu? A quarter. Oke. Now, I will give you LKPD perorangan individu ya, dikerjakan per orang. Oke. Per orang. Okay, write your name. No, it is paper. Write your name. Match the time. Cari dia, mana pasangannya. Dipasangkan. Ya. Yeah. Do you finish? Okay. You can collect your task. Kumpul. Okay. Hurry up. Kumpul. Okay. 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 So, do you understand about our topic today? Sudah mengetahui kah, udah pahamkah tentang telling time hari ini? Okay. Who can conclude our topic for today? Siapa yang bisa menyimpulkan topik kita hari ini about telling time? Ada yang bisa? Who can try? Siapa bisa? Okay, so from our topic today about telling time, we conclude, ya, Ibu menyimpulkan that the use past itu dari menit 1 sampai 30. For example, ya, I go to school at 5:45, ya. Saya pergi ke sekolah jam berapa tadi tuh? Ya, 6:15. Oke, and then I go to bed or I go to sleep at 9:30. Oke, and then to digunakan tadi untuk menit 31 sampai 59. Oke. For example, I have a breakfast at 5 to 6. Oke. Jam berapa tadi itu? Jam 6 kurang 5. Dan kemudian, and then, clock itu digunakan tepat waktu. Jarum panjang di angka 12. Oke. For example, at 3 o'clock. Jam 3 sore atau jam 3 pagi. And then at 5 o'clock. Okay, do you understand? Yes. Okay. Now, siapa bisa dulu merefleksikan pembelajaran kita hari ini? Ayo, who can try? Can you, Arya? Okay, in front of class. Okay.
Saya sangat senang dalam pembelajaran ini karena sangat menarik dan gampang untuk dipelajari. Tetapi kami dapat kesulitan saat membuat kalimat karena kosakata yang kurang.
Okay. Ada lagi yang lain? Any others? Any others? Okay, it's enough. Okay, thank you. Give applause. Okay. So, are you happy to study for today? Okay. Really? Yeah. Okay. Now, for next week, we will study about family topic, ya. Ya, topiknya family, keluarga. Okay, jadi so for next week, don't forget to bring your dictionary. Okay? Okay? Okay, I think that's all our topic for today. And the chapter class, please lead our class.
Attention please. Before we go on, let's pray for a moment please.
Uh,
Greeting to our teacher.
Oke, good morning. Oke, nah belajar di rumah, study at home, ya. Please repeat again what have we learned in school, ya. Pelajari apa yang telah kita pelajari di sekolah. Oke, jangan pergunakan waktunya untuk main-main. Oke, good morning. See you next week, okay?